Alright, so today I'm gonna attempt to change these springs, the valve springs and the seals on this thing. I forgot to record, but I already took the intake off and one of the valve covers. I'll take the other valve cover off and see how much further I can get on this job. I wanna try, and I have a cam for it. I have an Anderson M41. These are the stock E7 heads. I've been trying to find some GT40 heads, but everybody has been asking an arm and a leg for them. So I'm not gonna spend $500 on some GT40 heads. So I'm just gonna put these springs on here and maybe get it ready if I ever decide to put that cam in here. It's already good. They're not gonna be GT40 heads, they're not gonna be high flowing heads, but it'll pick up a little bit. So let me take the other valve cover off. I'll probably have to take some of this stuff off in the front so I can rotate the engine and see what else I can do. All right, I got both valve covers off. All right, so the next step is gonna be getting a wrench in here on the crank and turning the engine, putting the number one piston on the top dead center. That way the piston is all the way up and the valve won't fall when I start taking this off, start taking this apart. And then I'm gonna turn it a quarter of a turn and then move on to the next firing order. I just follow the firing order, and it makes my time go like much more faster than going one by one. So let me get started on that and see if I can get a tool here. So here's the process so far. We got this and this. Oh, by the way, I'm adding roller rockers on it. I think these are 1/6s, so springs and roller rockers. So on to the next, cylinder 7. Well, there it is. It's all back together. It looks a lot better with these valve covers. A little noisy at first, but once it starts, see what it sounds like. It sounds a little different. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of sounds like a little bit, it's got a little bit of chop or something. Sounds a little bit different. Idle's still the same. So let's go do a draggy test.